Good evening, everyone. My name is Atul Devkar, and our today topic is object and classes in Java. So, what is an object? So, object is an entity that state and behavior is also known as an object. Example: chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be a physical or a logical variable and intangible. For example, of an intangible object is a banking system. An object has three characteristics. State means state is a represent the data means value of an object. Behavior is a represent the behavior means functionality of an object such as a deposit, withdraws, etc. Next is identity. Identity is an object identity is typically implemented a unique ID. The value of the ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used to internally by characteristics of an object in Java. For example, pen is an object. Is a name is a Reynolds, and color is white. So known it is a state. It is used to write. So writing is a its behavior. And object is an instance of a class, and a class templates or blueprints from which object are created. So an object in the instance means result of a class. Next definition of objects. An object is a real world entity, and an object is a runtime entity, and the object is an entity which has state and a behavior, and the object is an instance of a class. So next, what is a class in Java? So basically, a class is a group of objects which have common properties, and it is template or blueprints from some which objects are created. It is a logical entity and it can be a physical. A class is a blueprint for the object. Before we create an object, we first need to define the class first. So we can think the class is a sketch, means phototype of a house, but it contains all the details. It contains all the details about the floors, doors, windows, etc. Base of the class description, we build the house. And house is an object. House is an object. Since many houses since many houses can be made from the same description, so we can create. The class in a Java can object many things, fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested class, and interface. So next is a class in Java syntax. So main syntax of class is declared as a class means class names in curly bracket, field and method and curly bracket close. So thank you.